Hey everyone, I'm Alina, welcome to our channel. Today I want to start our week in my life video because it's 1st of June and we have an amazing day today planned. It's Sunday and we are going on a picnic, that's why I'm looking like that. And also I will be bringing my straw bag because how can you go to a picnic without a straw bag? Really? Ah, yeah. We are going to a picnic place. I want to hear something really colorful today. Moving to the bus stop to meet our best friend.
Don't know what to say, screaming at the sky. I do one thing right, dream down.
Went to a picnic and now we're going home. We brought some snacks. Yeah. So it was really fun. And now we're on the way to get my package, like PR package. Can you say hi? So today we have the second day and we will have a small picnic and we want to make our content schedule and some ideas that we want to implement this summer. Today I also want to finish my dress that I started in winter. We need to get our capes for the graduation, and I think we need to get your package, another one. We want to have beautiful locations in our Instagram. Yeah. And some books, yeah. And there? Yeah, our watch. Yeah. We also did some pictures because everything looked really beautiful. And I think we will go home now. I want to make some content for my Instagram and my TikTok. I wrote a song and I need to make a video for it. So here's the setup. I will sit there. So I will try to take the first take. Every day I wake up, oh no, my sock. Oh no. I finished making the video of my song, and now I will help my sister to do her cut. I got a package. It's easy, which is exciting. So I will make an unpacking for my Instagram. Hey, I've got a package from the brand called Retro. So let's unpack it together. So let's start with the box. I need some scissors. Hey, I've got a package from the Retro. So let's unpack it. You can do it. Ooh. Oh, it's beautiful. The corset, my belt, and some accessories for my belt. Some bottles for my potions. Beautiful. This next thing is the ear cuff. The thing that I was most excited about was this mushroom corset. Oh, this is the cutest snail in the mushroom. Yeah, later we will try everything on. It's gorgeous. Incredible. Ginam. I am obsessed with the ginam, so... It's looking so beautiful. So many beautiful flowers. We are looking for the location or to make photos. Yeah, we need some. I got bottles of water into my bag and I can even put it in the phone. We had to go to the park to make pictures from our sister. Yeah, she has two corsets and dress and the belt and the ear cuff. And fun. The weather is really gloomy, but it's beautiful. There are lots of crows and so we got to the beach. I want to make an advertising photo shoot with my umbrella. So now we are making photo shoot because my sister really wanted to. It's gonna be Edwardian inspired photo shoot. You can show the fit. Blouse and skirt and belt and umbrella. My turn. Cute. We'll take pictures. No, we won't. It's windy. We're just walking on the beach. We didn't swim because it's too cold. We're having some tea. So that was all for our video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.